Hello and welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel. My name is Fayaz. Earlier, whenever we have to pay to someone, we had only two options in which we can do the payments. It can be either in the form of cash or probably in the form of a check. But both the platforms or both the mediums through which we were able to do payments to people had their own set of challenges because you cannot do the payments to the person who's probably in some other city or maybe in some other country because the amount of time that it might take to do the payments might take a lot of time. So that maybe that's the reason why a lot of new and innovative ways of payment have come up in the recent times. To name a few: NEFT, UPI, RTGS, IMPS. There are so many new mediums in which we can make payments almost instantly. But amongst all the different kinds of options that have come up recently, which one is the most suitable to you? Because it's easier to understand and comprehend the kind of option that we want to choose if at all we know the complete details about it. Details about the kind of payment options that they provide, details about the kind of time duration that they take to complete the transaction, details about the kind of services that they offer and the amount of fees that they charge. So in this video, we'll understand in detail what are the different kinds of services that this particular kind of IMPS, RTGS and NEFT services are providing basically. Along with that, we can also go down and understand what are the different options or benefits that these options are giving us. So let's understand all these things in details, and without a further ado, let's head straight to the table. So if you notice the table, the number one option over here is the NEFT. Next to it is RTGS, IMPS, and then UPI. Talking about the full forms of all these options, NEFT stands for National Electronic Fund Transfer, RTGS stands for Real-Time Gross Settlement, IMPS stands for Immediate Mobile Payment Services, and UPI stands for Unified Payment Interface. Talking about the regulations, it is being regulated by RBI. NEFT is being regulated by RBI. RTGS is also regulated by RBI. IMPS, however, is regulated by National Payment Commissions of India, and UPI is also regulated by National Payment Commissions of India. Talking about the settlement type, NEFT takes around half-hourly batches, and RTGS, IMPS and UPI will almost settle your transactions immediately. Talking about the minimum transfer amount that's required for NEFT, minimum 1 rupee amount is sufficient to make the transactions. For RTGS, the minimum amount has to be 2 lakh rupees. For IMPS and UPI, the minimum amount can be 1 rupee respectively. Talking about the maximum transfer that you can do via all these options, for NEFT, there is no limit, there is no maximum limit for it. For RTGS also, there is no maximum limit. For IMPS also, the maximum limit is going to be 2 lakh rupees, and for UPI, the maximum limit is 1 lakh rupees per day. Talking about the payment options these medium are providing us, talking about NEFT, you can do it via online and offline platform. For RTGS, you can do it online and offline as well. For IMPS, you can do it online, and for UPI, you can do it online. The timings for all these options are going to be: for NEFT, it's going to be in the batches and it's going to be available 24/7. For RTGS, it is available only during the banking transactions and bank related timings, which is going to be 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. And again, it depends and differs from bank to bank. Talking about IMPS and UPI, these two options are available 24/7, 365 days, and even at midnight, you can be easily able to do these transactions. And talking about the charges that these options are taking from you, well, for NEFT there is no charge. For RTGS there is going to be charges, which again depends from bank to bank. For IMPS and UPI, so far they are not charging any kind of money, but eventually with time they will slowly start charging you some amount of money in the form of their fees. So like this, if you want to learn more about personal finance, career building, farming and business, download the Financial Freedom app. There we have made more than 65 plus courses which are available in 6 different languages: Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, English, Kannada and Malayalam, which will explain you about all these topics with practical implications. And also, if at all you apply my promo code, which is FAYAZ, you'll be able to claim a scholarship of rupees 2,000 absolutely free. And if at all you want to learn more about personal finance in Hindi, you can subscribe to our Hindi channel as well, which is IndianMoney.com Hindi. And if at all you have any kind of topic suggestions or any kind of feedbacks for us, do let us know in the comment section. Until next time, my name is Fayaz and you're watching IndianMoney.com.